Well, hello, Facebook friends and everybody else out there. It's just me and my puppy. We're out here going for a walk. It's a beautiful day. And as you can see, it's trash day. That is Cherokee going down towards the strip. If you can see those buildings way in the background, that is the Mirage, and I can't remember the other. And if you go up here, this is my neighborhood. Great Bear and Cherokee. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a little bit, Facebook friends. And there he is. The puppy magically reappears back at the house. And, oh, look, there's my new Buick. I'm back from the garage, looking as gorgeous as always. Oh, and check this out. I got some new decals. There's my USA established, 1776. And my great uncle, years back, generations, was General George Lafayette that fought with Washington in the Revolutionary War. And of course, my patriotism. And if you ever have to call Congress, there's the phone number, the Capitol switchboard. And as you can see, I've turned my garage kind of into a workshop with all my stereo equipment. Sorry about going too fast. This right here is my old license plate. Little Dale Jr. 8, Dale Earnhardt Drive. Every man should have a flat screen, and every man should have 8 speakers hooked up to their stereo system. Mine absolutely cranks. But anyway, and there's some of the work I've been doing, just so you can get an idea. The Decocos. I engraved that. I need to stain it and get it done. Everybody out there, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.